Hey friends, welcome to what some may consider the weirdest cooking channel on the internet, Cooking with Bugs. And yes, you heard that right, this is a show where we're gonna put bugs in normal meals and see if we can tell the difference. And the purpose of this really is to just see if it is possible to replace the protein with something that's a little bit cleaner. And we're gonna be changing things up today, just a little bit. Had a flu outbreak in our house, so I had to change the format to what we're gonna be doing. So actually, just hit that preview. Today we're gonna see whether or not if gut loading the crickets with a strawberry pineapple, a cucumber bell pepper, or a cilantro lime blend will actually affect the flavor when we dehydrate them and when we saute them. All right, so let's get this started. A few hours ago, I separated all three flavors into 5-gram batches, stuck them on the trays, put them in my dehydrator, and cooked them at 167 degrees for 4 hours until they're nice and crispy. All right, so in front of me, I did the same thing that I did for the ones that I stuck in the dehydrator. I got 50 grams of each potential flavor, and what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna blanch them for about 1 to 2 minutes for each plate, and then I'm gonna saute them up in an avocado oil. Like I said, I like it, it's neutral, and should not really affect the flavor. And then I'm gonna plate them and really get to testing out their flavor. So I was dumping out the water. The one thing I thought of was I should have swapped out the water. I'm not sure if that's gonna mess with the flavor. Let's really just find out if there is a flavor first. So now, it's time to saute, if it will stay. Once again, I'm gonna be using a little bit of avocado oil. Get it on there, wait for it to heat up, and coat the pan and start sauteing them up. All right, well, let's go get them out of the dehydrator and taste test these things. We are at the end. I got 3 plates in front of me. I am not sure the order. They are mixed up. I don't know what they are, so that will make this more of a blind test to see if I can notice the difference. Now, 2 things I wanted to go over. One, before I froze the crickets, I gut loaded them. If you're wondering what that is basically I either fed it a fruit-vegetable mix, fruit and fruit, or vegetable, and I let them absorb the nutrients and see if that will actually affect the flavor profile. Second, I blanched the crickets before I saute them because you're wondering why I cooked them twice. It's supposed to enhance the flavor, and also it kind of cleans it up a little bit. I mean, they are crickets, and even though they are healthy and they carry less disease or less human contagion disease from what I've read, it's still, I'm still working with it in my head. So let's get in and try these things out. All right, so plate number 1 or whatever. Let's grab the sauteed one first. All right, I can't tell, but it doesn't taste like cricket. Well, let's see here. See the dry roasted ones or the dehydrated ones. All right, so can't put my finger on it. Tastes like cricket. And dehydrated ones. So they have a little bit different flavor, definitely noticeable. Not really sure what that one is. So another reason why I'm trying to do different flavors is because, you know, everyone loves chocolate covered strawberries. They all ask me about chocolate covered crickets. So if I can do like a strawberry pineapple covered in chocolate, it might enhance the flavor. So I'm gonna go with, because there is no flavor, possibly the cucumber bell pepper. All right, plate number 2. Let's start with the dehydrated ones first. Actually, clean the palate. All right. All right. Maybe with cilantro. I don't know, wait, let's try the sauteed ones. Let's go with the cilantro lime. See how far off I am on these things. All right. But definitely a big difference between these two tastes. So there is a difference. All right, the last plate. Let's see what happens. I'm picking up anything on that. Let's try the sauteed. Nope, kind of tastes like that one. All right, let's see what they are. Oh my God, I was off. Okay. First plate was actually the first plate, cilantro lime. All right. Please don't tell me this one's the strawberry pineapple. Strawberry pineapple. Oh, wait. So these are actually in the order that I did them. And yeah, cucumber bell pepper. So, did not taste citrusy or refreshing. It did add a little bit different to the profile though. So I would have to say the strawberry pineapple was the better tasting one. So, well, as a last minute kind of video, happy I did it. Kind of answered some questions that I wasn't able to find on there. I made them healthier, just really didn't affect the flavor as much as I was hoping. So, well, y'all have a wonderful night and stay tuned for next week's. Hopefully we don't have the flu again in this house. Y'all have a good night.